Hi everyone, it's Thomas Obungan from Frolic, Hawaii, and this is Best Bites presented by First Hawaiian Bank. I'm here at Waiāhole Poi Factory with Trisha Villamore Ani, and we're going to try some of the best bites they've got.
The Poi Factory itself was built in 1905. It was a full-on poi factory that was supplied by most of the taro in the valleys. In 1970, it was closing as a poi factory. My parents got the lease and they actually started it as an art gallery. And they ran it as an art gallery for about 10 years. And then in the 80s, our family, along with other families in the valley, combined together and made a nonprofit that redid the kitchen and the food processing part of the poi factory in order to do like an incubator kitchen. And we ran it like that from the late 80s all the way until 2009. Decided to change it up again, and we basically opened it as a takeout Hawaiian food, traditional Hawaiian food. So it's the classic luau menu, and also poi. And one of the things that we've specialized in is the hand-pounded poi. We also do milled poi. And then we also have a dessert where we combine a kulolo with haupia ice cream, and we call it the Sweet Lady of Waiāhole.
Super famous.
Yeah, and a lot of people come just for that.
So soft.
Oh my god, this is what I live for. You can only get this here.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Go for it. I know you want another
Yeah.
bite.
All right. The beef luau with poi, a little bit of lomi salmon, and a haupia.
Oh, I think I got the same. So I got the beef luau, had to get a lau lau, because more greens, right?
Oh yeah.
Gotta get the greens
Love
in.
the leaves.
And then poi, haupia, and lomi salmon. So,
Okay, toast. Yeah.
cheers. It just melts in your mouth.
It was like coma food after. I've always did the poi and mixed with the leaf,
Ooh.
and then
Yes. So is this what you always get from Waiāhole?
yes, and I actually get what you get.
Yeah.
But today I was trying to take it easy.
Take it
I gotta go to work after, so I gotta take it easy.
Okay, that's okay. So Trisha, you are the banker for Waiāhole Poi Factory.
Yes. Our relationship is actually fairly new. I just heard their story, they were going through some things,
Yeah.
and I felt like I really needed to help them. And because, I feel like buy local, help local.
Yeah.
And by hearing that, seeing that, and knowing I could do something to help them, so I just had to reach out.
Yeah.
And
That's so awesome.
Yeah.
So I think just having a partner like that can help them do so much more for the community, right?
Yes. We try to help our local businesses. I feel like we have to sustain our Hawaiian culture and preserve. Look at this.
I know,
Some good
right?
stuff for our kids.
Yes. Thanks for joining us for the Best Bites presented by First Hawaiian Bank, and we'll see you on the next episode.